Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Ludo King disconnecting you constantly even when you're completely sure your Wi-Fi and mobile network are both working completely fine? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings app and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then, turn it back off, which fully resets your network connections and clears a stale system that Ludo King's matchmaking servers can reject even when your internet looks fine. Force close the Ludo King app completely from your recent apps, then reopen it fresh on that reset connection. If disconnections continue, go back to your settings, go to Wi-Fi, and then tap on the eye in a circle next to your network. Then tap forget this network, then reconnect by tapping this network again and entering your password, which clears a broken connection profile. If it still happens specifically on Wi Fi, try switching to mobile data instead to confirm whether the issue is specifically on Wi Fi or your specific network. Also, check settings, go to general, scroll down, go to VPN and device management, and confirm that no VPN is active since VPNs require frequently trigger connection instability in multiplayer games. So all you gotta do is airplane mode reset, forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi, turn off any VPN, disconnection, stop, and that's it. Subscribe.